Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for leave on Zoho. So first, you're going to open your browser, then you want to go to Zoho People, and once you're here, make sure that you're logged in into your Zoho account. Then you're going to click on Access Zoho People. And once you're here, you want to navigate to the Quick Actions tools, which is this plus icon over here at the top right. And by clicking this button, it will give you access to different tools and options. So just look for the leave over here, which is this one. And the leave page gives you an overview or a summary of your leave days, of when you can apply for a leave or how many leave days you have left. And in order to apply for a leave, you're going to fill out this form. So you're first going to select your leave type. So if you click on this tab, you're going to go ahead and choose your leave type, whether it's a sick leave or a vacation leave or anything else. Just go ahead and select the leave type that suits best your case. Then after you've done that, you're going to select the date of your leave, whether that's a one-day leave or multiple days. So first, you're going to select the date of when you're going to start your leave. Then over here at the next tab, you're going to select when your leave is going to end. Then over here at team email ID, you're going to input the email ID of your team. Just make sure that you're going to input the correct email so that your whole team will be informed of when you are on leave. Then over here at the bottom, just go ahead and type in a short explanation or a short description of the reason of why you are going to apply for a leave. And after you've done that, just click on submit over here at the bottom. And that's it. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.